Welcome back. I'm Tim Good, the Technical Director of Nothing But Padlocks, and here we have the FB or Fire Brigade padlocks. They come in three models, but two sizes, because the FB11 and the FB14 are actually the same size, and then you've got the FB1. The padlocks are called Fire Brigade padlocks because the Fire Brigade actually have these keys to quickly access these locks if on fire escapes, fire gates, alleyways and so on. So they're not a particularly secure lock, because if somebody gets hold of an FB1 key and knows what they're looking for, they'll be able to open these, but they will prevent the general public from being able to access a bin store, an alleyway or fire escape. So the padlocks themselves are fairly crude. They are steel, not hardened steel, but steel with a galvanized body, so they are reasonably weatherproof, but they will discolor and rust over time. But the mechanism is extremely simple. It's a lever mechanism which bolts down a fairly rudimentary shackle here. But they are quite reliable because the mechanism inside is so simple. There's not an awful lot that can go wrong. Even if water gets in there and starts to rust, there's not really anything that can stick. So that's the Fire Brigade lock. Some councils say they are mandatory for certain alleyways and fire escapes. Others put separate or private locks on there and then expect the Fire Brigade to be able to just cut them off if necessary. But there you are. They are available in the FB1, the FB11 and FB14, and these are the only numbers in the series. There are other lever locks that look similar to this on the market, but they do need to be specifically FB locks in order for the Fire Brigade to easily access them in an emergency.